Hey everyone, this video is upon request on drinking water. Many have the doubt how much quantity of water we have to drink, what time of the day, is it after food, is it before food, is it the early morning, 2-3 liters of water altogether, and what is the source of water, benefits of water, usage, etc. Source of water. Well, the rainwater is freshly collected. Also, we have the underground water here, the natural source where this water is used for drinking purpose as well as for all the household cleaning things. If you have any natural source of water, that is perfect for drinking as well as for other purposes. And Ayurveda always recommends the freshly collected rainwater, but it should not be preserved for more than 24 hours, and it has to be consumed freshly. And if you don't have the fresh water, then what is the next source? Maybe whatever the water is available, which is the clean source, trustworthy source, and boil it and you can cool it and have that. What are the rules to consume water? This is the main question. So first thing, don't consume water in very less quantity, not in very excess quantity, not just immediately before food. Avoid consuming water just after food. Also, there are many other rules, small things which we have to observe while having water. For example, each and every person has their own body type, that is called Prakriti. So Vata, Pitta, Kapha, the three doshas in combination makes a person. If you have Pitta dominant, then try to avoid consuming hot water. The cool water is perfect for you. If your body type is something of Kapha, or obesity or something, in that case, hot water is good. But always consult an Ayurvedic physician to know your body Prakriti, body type, and try to understand what type of water, what exactly will suit to your body and nature. Is it okay to consume plenty of water early in the morning? It depends on the problem. If you have any health problem, ask your Ayurvedic physician, is it okay to consume plenty of water in the morning, and take their suggestion. Also, sometimes drinking plenty of water will bring down your digestive fire. That can cause indigestion leading to ama, which is the main reason for all the diseases. So I recommend to consume water when you are thirsty, maybe 1 to 2 glasses of water in the morning, just to make sure that you are getting that freshness. Then you can continue as per your body recommends. Your body will give you the signal called thirst. When you are thirsty, have water. When to consume water? Simple rule of Ayurveda is consume water only when you are thirsty. While having food, is it okay to consume water in between or sip water? Yes, that helps you to disintegrate the food and make it in small bits, and helps for the digestion. In between food, you can sip water, and also you can have water after 30 minutes of having your full meals. How much quantity of water we have to consume? Again, the simple rule is till it satisfy your thirst. Now, the next question, cold water or hot water? As I said, Pitta dominant diseases like alcoholic intoxication, or it may be the overheat in our body. We say the Pitta is more in my body, acidity, or it could be some other Pitta related diseases. For that, the cold water is good. When I say cool water, do you think is it a refrigerator water? No, it can be stored in a mud pot for Pitta people, or it can be always stored in a steel container also, as modern things, because everyone don't have mud pot in their house. But I recommend buy mud pot and store water in it, which is always precious. For exhaustion, vomiting, fainting, dizziness, these kind of problems can be solved, or the cold water can be a good remedy. Now, when to consume hot water? Hot water is always best for cold, cough, fever. Also, kapha related problems like obesity, maybe after Panchkarma treatment. It is good for the throat irritation. About hot water at night. As I already said, Pitta dominant people or with Vata dominant people, if they consume hot water at night or before bed, that may disturb their sleep. So it's always recommend for the kapha related prakriti or the obese people to have hot water before bed. Cold and cooled water is always good for pitta conditions, but such water should not be preserved for more than 24 hours, as I have mentioned earlier. What is the water recommended for indigestion? You can make infused water. Add a few 1 spoon of coriander seeds, or it may be cumin seeds. You can add oma, which is called ajwain, or you can also add few other leaves, but make sure about your body type. All the information in this video what I have given is reference from the classical texts. Now there are many research papers in the modern science how to consume water, what quantity of water. If you have any justification or any new rules which is really healthy, please put in the comment box and share the true knowledge. Thank you.